Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Samantha Learn and Grow. In this video, we are going to do addition and subtraction by using big friends formula. Plus 9 is equal to minus 1 plus 10 plus 90 is equal to minus 10 plus 100. Okay, let us start. 32 plus 59. So 9 is not available in the ones place dot. So I am using big friends formula. Plus 9 is equal to minus 1 plus 10. Minus 1 plus 10. Next minus 11. Next 17. Add 17. So what is the answer? 97. Clear the scale. Second one, 28 plus 90 minus 12 plus 32. 28 plus 90 in the tens place dot. 90 is not available, so I am taking big friends formula. Plus 90 is equal to minus 10 add 100. Minus 10 add 100. Next minus 12. Next add 32. What is the answer? 138. Clear the scale. 53 plus 25 minus 21 plus 29. 53 plus 25 minus, just a second, I repeat again. 53 plus 25 minus 21 plus 29. In the ones place dot, 9 is not available, so I am taking plus 9 is equal to minus 1 plus 10 big friends formula. Minus 1 plus 10 big friends formula. What is the answer? 86. Okay, next fourth one, 45 plus 45 minus 25 plus 95 minus 10. 45 minus 25 plus 95. In the tens place dot, 90 is not available, so I am taking plus 90 is equal to minus 10 plus 100 big friends formula. Minus 10 plus 100 big friends formula. Next 5 in the ones place dot as it is. Next minus 10. So what is the answer? 105. Clear the scale. Fifth one, 73 plus 15 minus 25 plus 29. 73 plus 15 minus 25 plus 29. 9, what is the formula of plus 9? Is equal to minus 1 plus 10. So what is the answer? 92. Clear the scale. Sixth one, 37 minus 12 plus 53 plus 91. 37 minus 12 plus 53 plus 91. In the tens place dot, 90 is not available, so I am taking plus 90 is equal to minus 10 add 100. 1 in the ones place dot as it is. So what is the answer? 169. Clear the scale. Seventh one, 56 plus 22 minus 15 plus 29. 56 plus 22 minus 15 plus 29 is minus 1 plus 10 big friends formula. So what is the answer? 90. Clear the scale. 91 minus 30 plus 29 minus 20. 91 minus 30 plus 29 means here 9 is not available, so I have to take big friends formula. Minus 1 plus 10. Next minus 20. So answer is 70. Next, okay, I repeat again. 68 minus 17 plus 39 minus 10. 68 minus 17 plus 39 means you have to use big friends formula. Plus 9 is equal to minus 1 plus 10. Next minus 10. So what is the answer? 8080. Okay friends, done with the sums. In the next video we are going to do minus 1 and minus 10 big friends formula sums. Okay friends, please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you. Bye.